Galgotias put a Chinese robot dog on stage and called it innovation. That one meme accidentally told the entire story of India's tech problem and why what just happened at India's AI Impact Summit is such a big deal. And before you say, oh great, another conference with speeches, the world literally showed up with money. Sundar Pichai flew into India. Microsoft, Nvidia, Reliance, everyone came, and together they committed over $250 billion into India's AI future in one summit. This wasn't one of those future of AI talk shows. The theme was actually refreshing. How does AI help real people in the real world? People, planet, progress, they called. Google to invest $15 billion and part of that goes to undersea cables to make India's internet faster for AI. Nvidia is now building GPU hubs right here in India. That is basically India's own AI factory now. And then the big one. Reliance Jio dropped 10 lakh crores for AI data centers running on solar energy across India. India's AI tools will stop depending on servers sitting in America. We are building our own, cheaper, local and faster. Okay, so big companies spend big money. What does that mean for you? Two things. The cost drop. Right now, building an AI-powered app or business tool is expensive because you are renting the computing power from foreign servers. Once India's infrastructure is ready, these costs would fall. And second, AI finally speaks your language. Tech Mahindra launched something called Project Indus, an AI model with 8 billion parameters but first in Hindi. Not translated, but born in Hindi. It also understands Maithili, Dogri and dozens of other Indian languages that other AI tools just ignore. Imagine a student in a government school in Bihar. No tutor, no coaching classes. They just open an app on their basic smartphone and they get a personalized AI teacher. The one that speaks their language and is actually able to explain the things that they understand. And then there's Sarvam AI, a startup. They launched their 105 billion parameters AI model, putting them in the same league as the biggest labs in the world. They signed with Maharashtra to deploy AI across education, healthcare, agriculture. Think about what this looks like on the ground. A farmer in Maharashtra opens his basic smartphone and asks AI, "Why is my crop dying?" And the AI actually answers, accurately and in his language. This summit marks something different. India just moved from being world's back office for tech to actually building tech for the world. Do you think India will actually deliver on this? Or will it just stay on paper like so many things before? Drop your take in the comments because the next 12 months will tell us everything. And if you learned something from this video that you didn't know this morning, then share it with one person because this conversation is worth having.